Good afternoon, students. Last class we are studying ratio analysis. The ratio analysis means the financial status and operational performance of business entity. Is status business present or future or past? The easy to comparing the financial status. The ratio analysis is a mathematical expression of relationship between two related or interdependent items. The numerical or quantitative relationship between two items. The ratio analysis is pure percentage and times. The classification of ratio analysis: liquidity ratio, long-term solvency ratio and turnover ratio, and profitability ratio. Listen, students. Today we are discuss about sum number 19. This is many sums and I explain and work out in many sums. Listen, this is one last one. Following the extract the balance sheet of Abdul Limited as on 31st March 2019. Listen, students, one or two times you read clearly, watch the questions. You read clearly. The last one line means each and some last one line, important line means you read one or two times. Net profit before interest and tax. This sum formula what? Formula is return on investment equal to, listen students, you note it down, return on investment equal to net profit before interest and tax by capital employed into 100. This is what net profit before the interest and tax of the amount is 60,000. Next one is what? Capital employed. Capital employed means what? One explanation is share capital plus reserve and surplus plus long term borrowing. The total is how much? Share capital 2 lakhs, reserve and surplus 50,000, 2 lakh 50. Long term borrowing is 1 lakh 50, totally 4 lakh rupees. This formula is net profit before interest on tax by capital employed. This first one is how much? 60,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100. Answer is what? 50%. Okay, listen student, this is important 5 mark, very easy. Only one or two times you read the question, afterwards you write the answer. Okay, next one today, lesson number 10, computerized accounting system, Tally. Nowadays, olden days only in each and every record in full manual only. Store many places, keep the record, follow in many places occupied. But nowadays only one system is enough. The many records is stored computerized in nowadays. Nowadays many no, full each and every department full computerized and online system only. Introduction. Computerized accounting system refers to the system of maintaining accounting using computer. Nowadays many innovation in new software in implement in many countries. In the software installed the computer, easy to report the records. Many software or hard copy in submit. It's involved the processing of accounting transaction through the uses of computers is order to maintain and produce accounting records and reports. Easy to maintaining. Listen students, you underline maintaining the produce accounting records and reports. Easy to maintain. In olden days is many records is write manual only, but nowadays full and full records is maintaining computerized. Computerized accounting system takes accounting transaction as inputs that are the processed through accounting software to the generated the various reports. Generate various report. The many software in new software in implementation. Manual work is more time, but system is very within minutes only. Next one, application of computerized accounting system. CAS. CAS means applications of computerized accounting system. First one, maintaining accounting records. In CAS, accounting records can be maintained easily and efficiently for long time period. Underline easy. Computerized accounts is maintaining very easy and efficient of long time. Each a long period. Have 10 years, 20 years afterwards, you search many record easy to identify. It does not require a large amount of physical space. Do not large amount of physical space. That is small, very small, sufficient period and small, physically very easy to computerized following accounts. It is facilitated fast and accurate retrieval of data and information. Very fast and correct information to accurate. Accurate means correct information to collect the computerized accounting system. Second one, inventory management. Inventory management, some companies is many records is followed. Many records means is manual records, many records is some mistakes is compulsory, but computerized is accounting is mistake, no mistake, very less only. Inventory means particular what? Particular data or particular different facilities. CA facilities, efficient management and inventory, fast moving and slow moving and absolute inventory can be identified. Many particulars, different heading means you easy to catch the correct absolute. Absolute means correct answer. Update the information about the availability of inventory, level of inventory, etc. can be obtained instantly. Easy to update the information and easy to collect the information in instantly. Payroll preparation. Payroll involves the calculations of amount due to an employee. Pay of an employee may be calculated based on hours they work or unit produced. CA records or attendance of employees compute the amount of salary, makes deductions such as a provident fund or income tax, etc. Some payroll preparations, many government employees follow this method. His pay slip is some tax, some PF, ESI, some many amount is deduction is very easy to follow. Finally, exactly correct net amount only is reflected finally. Next one, report generation. CA helps to generate the various routine and special purpose reports. The special purpose report means correct, routine means many times or regularly you followed, easy to generate the reports, update the reports. Regularly you follow the various, generate the report means easy to compare the datas. Listen students, this lesson computerized accounting, you read carefully, is very easy only. CA students is very easy, already you studied in 11th standard this lesson. 12th lesson, this new chapter only. Many 1 to 9 chapter is full and full manual, but 10th chapter is new, is implementation in computerized accounting. Okay, listen students, please you read the lesson 1 or 2 times, very easy only. This lesson only 1 5 mark is repeated question. That question is application of computerized accounting system. This question is 5 mark or 3 mark question in board exam. Okay students, lesson number 19, you copied your classwork, write neatly, do not tear the papers. Every day the topic you watch clearly, that day you thorough the topic. Next day you postpone means your workload only heavy. Do not waste your time students, read properly. Next class we will discuss next one, new topic. Okay, thank you students.